In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Placeholder in emails using Freshsales. By the end, you'll know how to personalize messages quickly and accurately without typing the same details over and over. Start by composing your message in Freshsales. This can be a brand new email, a reply to a conversation, or even a bulk email to many recipients. In the email editor's toolbar, look for the option labeled Placeholders or Personalize. That's the gateway to all the fields you can merge into your message. Click it, and you'll see a list of available fields, including both default fields and any custom fields your team has created. Choose the field you want to insert, like first name, last name, or company name. Freshsales will immediately drop a token into your email, something like contact first name. That token is a stand-in for the actual value on the recipient's record. Don't edit the curly braces or the internal text of the token. That's what tells Freshsales where to pull the data from. You can type all around it, and you can place these tokens anywhere in the message, including the subject line. Now write the rest of your email, greeting, body, and closing, around the placeholders. Keep your tone natural. For example, Hi/contact, first name. I'm reaching out to share an update. Read smoothly once the placeholder is filled. Pay attention to punctuation and spacing. Leave a space before and after the token where needed, and keep capitalization consistent so the sentence looks right no matter whose data appears. If you plan to reuse this message, save it as a template. When you save a template that contains placeholders, those tokens stay dynamic. The next time you apply the template, it will automatically personalize itself based on the recipient's details in Freshsales, saving you time across campaigns and follow-ups. When you send your message, whether to a single person or a large list, Freshsales replaces each placeholder with the actual data for that specific contact. Every recipient gets a version tailored to them. If a field is empty on a record, the placeholder may result in a blank spot. So write your sentences so they still sound fine, even if that detail isn't present. It's smart to choose fields that are reliably filled out in your database. That's all there is to it. Use placeholders to add meaningful personalization in seconds, keep your emails clear and human, and reuse your best messages with templates. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing with Freshsales.